Are you looking to take up your heat exchanger cleaning capacities from currently 55 to 60% what's available or what's possible to 95% plus? Then this video is for you. For the last 8 years, we've been helping public sector companies, power plants, refineries achieve this kind of cleaning irrespective of which kind of heat exchangers they have. Hi, I'm Chandrakant Tiwari, founder of Evergreen Solutions, and we are in the business of offering cleaning solutions that are compatible with our customers' needs. And for those of you who watched till the end, I'll be sharing a bonus ebook with the processes involved in achieving this kind of cleaning and a check sheet with which you can eliminate different kind of contaminants and find the best way to deal with them. So keep watching till the end. When you take up the efficiencies from 55% to about 95%, there's a huge reduction in your energy costs. A 45% increase in efficiency corresponds to at least 30% decrease in your energy requirements. Now consider all this can be achieved with a far lesser downtime. Some capacities of heat exchanger take close to about 3 days to clean, and we can achieve the same efficiencies in less than 8 hours. So that is a huge positive. The other negatives that one has to deal with is the abrasion of material. This could be due to the use of chemicals, or it could be use of high pressure jets. Another form of damage could be because of the residual sediments that stay within the pipes. They provide certain heat zones, and that could be very dangerous for the workplace. Conventionally, the technologies that are available today are of three types. You either use a pressure jet, or you use chemicals, or there are certain countries that use a vibronic system. While these are useful, by themselves they have not managed to solve the problem of giving 98% efficiency. And this is where pulsonication comes in. Pulsonication is a technology that has been recently developed, which combines all the three technologies that we just spoke about. The process begins by immersing the entire heat exchanger in a large ultrasonic tank of a certain frequency. The frequency and power are very important. We also take down temperatures to maybe about 90 degrees or 80 degrees depending on the type of contaminants. What happens here is the simultaneous cleaning within the pipings, within the tubings and the exterior finned areas. Now something that took 72 hours to clean is happening now in less than 6 to 8 hours. Importantly, time saved and also efficiencies improved to about 98%, and that's what we are looking at now. The advantages are not just restricted to that. Most of the chemistries which are used in this case are absolutely biodegradable. They are what are called readily biodegradable chemistries. So your health, safety and environment factors are also taken care of. One other advantage is the fact that since you're using machines, you can save on labor cost. Maybe in capex operation, but return of investment of many of these projects are less than 6 months. And that is the kind of savings that this system can offer you. So if you know somebody who could do with such efficiencies in their plants, be it a power plant, a refinery or any engineering industry or wherever heat exchangers are used, I would suggest you share this video with them or tag them so they will be aware of the advancements in the cleaning technologies for heat exchangers. I will see you in the next video.